do not use toxic chemicals and pesticides on our garden. So, when we were faced with a Colorado beetle and Japanese beetle problem this past summer, we were not sure where to turn. After extensive research, we found neem oil. Fortunately, neem oil is the only biopesticide that is not only proven effective in controlling more than 200 kinds of garden pests, but it is also environmental friendly. Neem oil is the oil pulled from the neem tree. The neem tree is a fast-growing tree native to the Indian subcontinent and to dry areas throughout South Asia. It has been introduced to parts of Africa, the Caribbean, and numerous countries in South and Central America. Neem oil kills insects at all stages of its development, from egg, larva to adulthood, including the most common pest problems like aphids, spider mites, scales, leaf hoppers, white flies, caterpillars, slugs, and flea beetles. It is important to note that neem oil does not kill insects upon contact. What it does is to work internally within the bug's biological system by causing it to stop feeding and lose fertility until it dies eventually. The pest needs to be exposed to neem oil by ingesting a portion of the plant that has been sprayed with a neem solution. This is why it is not harmful to bees, earthworms, and other beneficial insects that do not feed on plants. Neem oil is biodegradable and does not accumulate in the soil or plants regardless of the number of times you use it. It is safe to use around humans and pets. What makes neem oil most effective as a biopesticide is this natural compound called azadirachtin. It is found mostly in the neem seeds. When buying neem oil, look for the pure cold-pressed neem oil variant. Many of the cheaper neem oil bottles sold on the market use neem leaves to extract the oil instead of the neem seeds. These are found in many retail stores like Home Depot. These cheaper variants use heat to extract the neem juice. In other words, while they claim that they are selling pure neem oil produced through this process is not really pure and is already highly diluted. This makes their effect on plants oftentimes questionable. If you are using pure cold-pressed neem oil, you only need 1 teaspoon per liter of unchlorinated water. If the pest infestation is heavy, you can increase the neem dosage up to 2 teaspoons for every liter of unchlorinated water. Spray generously on plant leaves, stems, and the roots at dawn or late in the afternoon. If the infestation is heavy, repeat the application after 2 to 3 days. Once the pests are under control, a regular weekly application is recommended as a preventative measure. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember, it's not about if, it's about when. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.